Welcome to another edition of 50Express tutorials. Today I will be teaching you how to properly mix and bake the 50Express sugar-free white cake mix. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's do this! Today we will need the following ingredients and tools. 50Express sugar-free white cake mix, 8x2 Fat Daddios pan, non-stick spray, measuring cup set, spatula, water, oil, and eggs. Our ingredients are already measured in small containers for a full batch of 50Express sugar-free white cake mix. We will be using eggs, water, and oil for this delicious mix. Let's preheat our oven to 325 degrees. We will be using the paddle attachment for our stand-up mixer. First, we add 7 large eggs and 6 cups of 50Express sugar-free white cake mix. Mix on low speed for 1 minute. Stop the mixer and scrape the bowl. Mix for 3 minutes on medium speed. Lower the mixer speed to low and add 1 cup of water and 1/3 cups of oil. Mix for 1 minute. Stop the mixer and scrape the bowl. Then mix for 3 minutes on low speed. Your batter is now ready to put into your baking pan. This 50Express sugar-free white cake mix is great for people who are sensitive to glucose. Today we are using a Fat Daddios 8x2 cake pan. First we spray our 8x2 cake pan with our favorite non-stick pan spray. Be sure to spray the pan evenly. Now let's fill our cake pan with our 50Express sugar-free white cake batter. Fill the pan halfway. This is approximately 20 ounces. Now we place our pan into the preheated oven and bake at 325 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes or until firm in the middle. This is what our delicious 50Express sugar-free white cake mix looks like when it comes out of the oven. It is ready for the next step. Thank you so much for watching this 50Express tutorial on the 50Express sugar-free white cake mix. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment below.